In this Inmotion Hosting review, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about Inmotion Hosting, including the speed test, ease of use, customer support, pricing and pros and cons of Inmotion Hosting. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. Also, if you're ready to make an Inmotion Hosting purchase after this review, then consider purchasing it from the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. So, Inmotion Hosting is one of the most popular US providers, founded in 2001. The company claims to have a massive user base with more than 375,000 WordPress installations. Not only that, but they also claim to have the most website transfers in the industry. Let's talk about Inmotion Hosting pricing. We will be comparing their shared hosting plans, although Inmotion does offer other types of hosting like VPS and dedicated hosting. So after you visit Inmotion Hosting from the description link, then, on the shared hosting page, you can see the 4 plans: Core, Launch, Power, and Pro plans. The starting price is only $2.29 per month. And with this plan you're getting free SSL, 100 GB SSD storage, you can create 10 email accounts, and also, with this plan you can create 2 websites. This is great from Inmotion Hosting. Comparing to their competitors, other hosting providers only allow you to create 1 website on their cheapest plan, but with Inmotion Hosting, you can create 2 websites. But with this plan, you're not getting a free domain name. If you want a free domain name and want to create unlimited websites, then you can choose their Power plan. With this plan, you're also getting more great features. Also, remember that this discount will only be applied if you purchase the plans for 3 years. If you go below to 2 years, then the starting price will increase to $2.79 per month and $3.29 per month for a 1-year plan. I always recommend you to select the longer period plan to get the best discount, and also there is a 90 days money-back guarantee, so if you're not completely satisfied with Inmotion Hosting, then you will get the full refund if requested within 90 days of purchase. While their competitors' hosting providers offers a 30 days money-back guarantee, Inmotion Hosting offers a 90 days money-back guarantee. Talking about the payment method, then you can pay with a credit card and PayPal as well. So overall, they are a cheap hosting provider starting at just $2.29 per month. We believe they do provide you with enough basic features to get started. Now let's talk about Inmotion Hosting ease of use. Right away from their home page, you can see it looks fairly easy to navigate with the custom dashboard compared to the cPanel that a lot of other hosting providers use. We believe the design also looks fairly clean and simple with a lot of good shortcut buttons. But you can still access your cPanel from there. One thing we don't quite like from their home page is there's still a fair bit of upsells on the dashboard. But, installing WordPress is really easy enough from the dashboard. Doing other kinds of stuff, like installing free SSL and creating a free email account, is also very easy using their cPanel. Overall, I like that they have a clean-looking interface with custom shortcut buttons to install and create things instead of having to go to cPanel all the time. Now let's talk about Inmotion Hosting speed and performance. So after I have installed the basic WordPress site, then I added some design elements to it to increase the page size. I also going to install some free plugins to speed up the website like WP Fastest Cache, which is for speed optimization, and Short Pixel, which is for image optimization. And lastly, I will install the free Cloudflare app, which will also increase the website performance with their CDN. Then I went ahead, I tested out the speed of my website using GTmetrix. And the result is 1.1 seconds. And this is one of the fastest shared hosting speeds I've tested. It also easily passes the Google recommended page load speed of 3 seconds. I have also been monitoring the uptime performance of my site using GTmetrix and can report that the uptime for the last 30 days is 99.977%. So their uptime performance is also good enough. Overall, Inmotion Hosting provides great speed and uptime performance. Now let's talk about Inmotion Hosting customer support. Inmotion Hosting provides 24/7 customer support through phone, email, and live chat. With regards to their response time, we contacted him at 3 different times of the day to make sure we get an overall average and not just a bias-fast response time during their off-peak hours. The average of those 3 times turns out to be around 7 minutes and 40-second waits, which is a little too long for us. Overall, their team was knowledgeable, but their response time was a bit slow at 7 minutes and 40 seconds. And they just took a bit too long to get to each task and help us out. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Inmotion Hosting. So the first pro is their amazing speed and performance. Next, their prices are also very cheap, started at just $2.29 per month. Their support is also helpful. The dashboard is clean looking. And last, they offer you a 90 days money back guarantee. Talking about the cons. So the first con is that the response time of their customer support was long. Next, there are no automatic free daily backups. And last, the discounted price is only for the longer period plan. Now let's talk about who should purchase Inmotion Hosting. Inmotion Hosting is a super fast and reliable hosting provider at an amazing price. They have great speed and the best user interface. Their customer support response time is too long, but if you can wait, then it will be okay. So this is my recommendation for you. If you're looking for cheap web hosting with great speed, performance, and easy to use dashboard, then Inmotion Hosting is the best choice that I think you should seriously consider. Also, if you're ready to make an Inmotion Hosting purchase, then consider purchasing it from the link in the description below this video and get yourself a discount if one's available. You can subscribe to this channel to stay updated with more reviews videos like this. Thanks for watching.